Jai Ma. Today I'm showing you a different recipe. I hope you like all the recipes I'm doing. Constantly I'm giving you different recipes. So whatever I'm doing, I'm sharing with you. So in the heat, जब गर्मी होती है ना, summer, so I'm making a chilled Sattu drink. It's called Sattu Sharbat, which I call it. Sattu, what is Sattu? I've taken organic Sattu. This is Bengal gram without pesticide or anything. जो चना होता है ना, उसका flour है. So I'm sure some people know what Sattu is. So you have to take this, the flour, and it's chana basically, like you have seen chana in the market, So वो chana है जिसका sometimes people don't get this flour in the market. So what they do is they grind it in the house only in the mixer. चना लाके grind कर लेते हैं और उसका आटा मतलब flour बन जाता है. So that is the sattu that I'm taking, and it's very healthy. So see, I'm taking 2 tablespoons. You can take as much as you want, again depending on how many people you have. I don't have too many people, so I'm taking 2. Measurements are in the description box. Now in this, I will add kala namak. I keep it in packets like this. काला नमक ऐड करिए, little bit of salt, jeera powder, chopped mint, chopped हरा धनिया, chopped green chillies, 2 I've taken. Add all this in your flour, and then you add as much water as required, drinking water, and it has to be chilled. पहले थोड़ा डालिए, फिर उसको मिक्स करिए. Take a whisk and mix it well. It's very tasty and it's very healthy. Chana is always very healthy, Bengal gram, and it's roasted, so it's delicious. Mix it well. No lumps, okay? Then, once the lumps are gone, add as much water, like 2 glasses of water. Stir again and taste it, later. If you need more salt or kala namak, then half a lime. Add that. And your sattu drink is ready. Now you pour it in the glass. Your sattu drink is ready. It's so delicious and it's very healthy. So do try, and you can add some ice cubes on it when you're serving and keep it in the fridge. It has to be very chilled. So it's called Sattu Sharbat. Try it and let me know. Jai Ma.